What's up, Camaro people? This build is finally done. A lot of work went into this Camaro. Boom! Look how gorgeous that looks. So this third gen is an 88 Z28, actually IROC-Z, and it belongs, man, I just can't get enough of this. Check this out. Boom! Check these lights out. If you see these lights, they have a halo around them. They also turn on red, which are the demon eyes, and they have HIDs inside of them as well. They look super dope in person. Videos, they look good, but man, in person, forget about it. Woo! So this IROC is a 5-speed TPI. We did a lot of suspension work. You see old videos of it up. It's gonna need, where needed, a lot of work. You'll drive it about 20-30 miles an hour and it'll end up shaking and everything. It just needed overall a ton of work. And I wish I could go through a list of everything that I've done to it. But I feel like I took pauses here and there from it. So we ended up finishing it up now. The details are always my favorite thing about the builds. The stripes, headlights that they let us make, and just the color of it too. Look how gorgeous that is, man. Looks really good. One thing I wanted to say that I appreciate more than anything else is the people that I work with, in terms of the people that let me work on their cars. So this specific build belongs to Ruben. He's a tattoo artist, and I appreciate that he just let me do my thing, that he appreciates my craftsmanship. I'll ask him for his opinions, and overall he just let me just do exactly what I wanted, the color I wanted, the lights I wanted, the setup I wanted. And overall this is gonna be a solid daily driver. Weren't looking to LS anything. This has the TPI 5.7 and 5.0 TPI 5-speed, and this thing will get you just everywhere, point A to point B. Eventually we're gonna do some more work to it, maybe do some interior work to it, do maintenance work whenever it needs it, but as of right now, it'll get you to point A to point B, and you'll get there looking good too. Check this out. Woo! Boom! Oh man, that looks so good. I'm thinking this will look really good with tan interior, or black. What do you guys think?